Oh. So yeah, pretty sure whoever owned this car, because this is now the second thing of paraphernalia that I've come across, was had some drug tendencies. Alright, so awesome, the seat belts are part of the chair on this one, which means it should come out as all one unit. That's actually really cool. I like that. Which does mean I probably need to swap these pillars over somehow. Might have to modify that to work. But oh no, the other fun part is that the car is dead right now. So getting to the back freaking mounts is gonna be interesting. Yeah. And it's that special bolt too. That's freaking awesome. Well, I guess start with what I can. Alright. What do you think? That one? That seems to do it. Now we're doing all this by hand because, yeah, that's gonna suck. I don't know if I broke it or what, but come on. Yeah, it looks like I broke that. No, I didn't. I got it. All right, we're good. Oh, crap. Horses. Making horse noises. That box completely disconnected. There's just no way, because that's your main harness that goes into the truck, which we're going to be stealing that. Oh man, which that all goes into the cowling, which we'll be stealing that. Okay. Whoa, and that wind starts moving. Oh, son of a bee. Okay. Yep, I'm going back. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Those are the exact same doors. It just has that panel on it. Oh, that is awesome. I love how Chevy does this. Anyhow, I actually might end up stealing this fender, because it just needs a little bit of body work there and there. The other fender I have is less nice. Far less nice. I'm gonna steal these steps too, because I think I might be able to modify that to look cool. Right now there's no shocks in the back of this thing, and it makes it very bouncy every time you want to. Oh, yep, that's not right. Oh, yep, I see this ending with a rack on my fingers. Oh, the back's broken. Whatever. Alright. There we go. Shit. Looks like this thing was already painted with an interior color paint of some sort. Awesome, that'll be fun to fix. Where the hell is that other one? Don't tell me. It's underneath the track, isn't it? I think it is. Which means we have to move it forward. I think. Yeah, I think it is in the track. How the F am I supposed to get to that? Alright, it's a new plan. We are going to take the interior apart because it's cold and the seat's pissing me off. And I don't know exactly how I want to tackle that just yet. So we are going to pull apart the dash. Also, the nice part about that is I can close the damn door. And now it's not so freaking cold. Alright, so now I just gotta remember how the hell we do this. I don't remember it all. This whole panel has to come off somehow. Yep, okay. So, gently. Because we want to keep this. We do not want to have to buy a new one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Boom. Oh, damn it. Come on now. Don't be like, oh, hey, this seat's loose. Alright, looks like someone's been in here at some point. Fun. I'll figure that out. Okay, so, yeah. There's a way to get these to come out. I think they just pop out. As I remember. But maybe not. I gotta look that back up. Alright. I'm thoroughly upset. So, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast and call reinforcements, find out where the hell they're at, and then we'll go from there. Oh shit. Vroom, vroom, vroom. It might be finger tight at this point, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. We need to disconnect the needle. You get flooded?
No, not it. Yeah, maybe.
Was that both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck me, dude. It's not light. Here, grab the bottom of that.
Put it down.
I was gonna take it inside.
Oh. God damn.
I know, and I'm heavy. I'm carrying it.
I got this.
I love how you turned it so I could go backwards. Fucking scumbag.
You can let go of that. I got this stuff.
Well, that's kind of how I'm holding on right now because I don't have a great spot.
That seat's gonna rip out. Got it. Coming in.
Coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Scoot your boochies. Wash your butthole.
Don't sit in this chair, please.
Yeah.
I'm down.
You'll fuck that chair.
Here, bro.